I'm Gloria and today I'm making a Mexican cookie. It's called hojarascas tricolor. I know that you and your family will love and will enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My friends, these are my ingredients. I have a pinch of salt, vanilla extract, strawberry extract, cocoa powder, egg, granulated sugar, crisco, vegetable, and all-purpose flour. This cookie comes out delicious, so let's get started. Okay, my friends, I am ready. I'm going to add my shortening, my crisco, to this bowl, and to this bowl I'm going to add my granulated sugar. I'm going to mix it completely until everything has been nice and incorporated and it's nice and fluffy. So let's mix. Okay, everything is nice and incorporated. Let me show you how this looks. Look at this, really nice and incorporated and very fluffy too. To this, I'm going to start adding 1 egg, my vanilla extract, my pinch of salt, and I'm going to mix it completely for 2 to 3 minutes until everything is nice and incorporated. Okay, to this I'm just going to clean my spatula and I want to show you how this looks. It's nice and soft, and the mixture, it's not liquidy, but it is soft. To this, I'm going to start adding my all-purpose flour. And we're going to mix it for at least 2 to 3 minutes, just to make sure that everything is nice and incorporated. And I'll see you back. Okay. As you could see, all the dough has separated from the walls of the plate. And let me show you the texture. Let me show you how this looks. Look at this. Nice and soft, nice and manageable, and it doesn't stick to the palms of your hands. This is when you know that the dough is completely done and you're ready. Here, my surface is nice and clean. I'm going to add a little bit of all-purpose flour to the bottom, and I am going to add my dough. I have put some gloves on because I'm going to be using the strawberry extract and the cocoa powder. Okay, at this moment, I'm just going to mix a little bit of my dough, separate it in 3 pieces, I mean. Just like this. And you could feel when one needs a little more. So we're just going to add it and we're going to start doing our 3 balls. Just this way. Look at this. The dough is really soft. It won't stick to your hands. Okay, I'm going to start with the first one and I'm adding the strawberry extract. I'm going to start mixing and incorporate it completely. As you can see, it gets really red. That's why I put my gloves on. I'm going to mix it until everything is really nice and combined. And the dough is completely red. Look at this. Let me show you the texture. Everything is nice and smooth. And the color is all right. Okay, I'm going to start with my this is done. I'm going to start with the chocolate one, and I'm going to do just on the center. I'm going to add my cocoa powder, and I am going to mix it completely until all the dough is completely brown and the cocoa powder is completely well blended to the dough. Look at this. Look how this looks. Let me show you how the texture looks when you open it, how everything is nice and incorporated. Look at this. Okay, this dough is nice and done. I'm gonna put it aside and I'm gonna start doing my little logs because I want you to see this step. I want to show you the 3 colors: strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. I'm going to start with my strawberry. I'm going to do a little log just like this. You don't need a rolling pin for this cookie. When you have it just like that, I'm going to put it aside just like this. Nice. The log looks really nice. And I'm going to get my vanilla mixture and I'm going to do the same thing. Look at this. Okay, now this is my chocolate dough. I'm doing the same thing, but I'm going to add it right on top. Just like this. I'm going to do it right on the top so the 3 can get connected and I could start doing my cookie. Look at this. I like to do it like that. I like to make it very firm. You shape it really good. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to add just a little bit of all-purpose flour. I have my baking dish here with parchment paper so the cookie doesn't stick. And I have my cookie cutter here. I'm going to start cutting. Look at this, my friends. Look how beautiful this cookie comes out. I know that it's a little time consuming, but believe me, this is really worth it. They look really nice, really professional. And I'm going to continue cutting the rest. Look at this, my friends. They look so nice. Just make sure that you keep adding all-purpose flour to your cookie cutter so they don't start sticking. Look. Okay, I am done with one baking dish and I am going to continue with the rest. So I'll see you back in a little bit. My friends, I am done with my hojarascas tricolor. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. They're going to go to the oven from 10 to 12 minutes, no more than that. So I'll take them to the oven and I'll see you when I'm taking them out. My friends, I am taking my cookies out of the oven. They were in the oven for exactly 10 minutes. So I'm going to let them cool down just a little bit before I do the presentation because I really want to taste them. So I'll see you back in a little bit. I wanted to show you from close-up how beautiful they came out. The hojarascas tricolor came out perfect. Look at this. Let's see the other tray. Look how they came out. Really nice. Okay, I'm gonna let them cool and I'll see you back in a little bit when I'm tasting these delicious cookies. done with these Mexican cookies. They came out so nice and so beautiful, but this is the part I love and I enjoy, tasting my recipes. I have combined it with vanilla atole that you already have on my channel. Because with this cold weather, who doesn't want a atole nice and warm? Okay, let's taste it. I'm gonna taste the chocolate one first. The side with the chocolate because I love chocolate. Let's see how it came out. The chocolate flavor is so intense and so delicious, but yet not sugary. It's just good and delicious. Let's see the strawberry. So concentrated, so delicious. The cookie is nice and tender from the inside, but yet from the outside, it's nice and crumbly. It's so delicious. And of course, I need to taste the vanilla side because the vanilla is made at home. So let's see how this tastes. And with this Mexican atole, vanilla atole, just perfection. Remember, my friends, you already have my atole in my channel, vanilla atole. I know, my friends, that you will love it and you will enjoy it, especially with these cookies. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, my friends, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my tripe hojarascas. Bye-bye.